Hi, today I'm going to be looking at these handheld consoles. I picked these up on eBay. The listing said that they were all faulty. It said this one and this one were not working, and this one was, I think it was no sound or no display. I can't actually test this one at the moment because I don't have the batteries for it, but I can test these two. Now when I plug this in, it just, I get nothing, and this one, and when I plug it in, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Like it's working now. Oh no, it's not. It's frozen. So there's an issue with this too. So sometimes I put the batteries in and it works. Sometimes I put them in, it doesn't work. And when I put them in now, I've never even seen this before, but it's just frozen on the screen there. So I'll look at these in a different video anyway today. So I'm going to be just looking at this, and for my next video coming up, I'm going to be looking at these two graphics cards. This one has it's artifacting and shutting down the PC, so that's going to be a problem with the GPU. And this one has no display. Now I've been working on this one already, and it had a short on the 1.5 volt rail, but I cleared that and it has no display now, so we'll be looking at that. So yeah, let's get this open and have a look at it. Okay, so my camera stopped rolling there, so I said I'd be looking at this one today. As you see, when I plugged it in, there's no power, and I'm not sure if I said it, but this start button is jammed up on it, and if you press down here, it kind of, you can see that it goes down, the buttons go down. These buttons seem alright, but this one is stuck and this one goes down. So yeah, I'm going to get it open and have a look. Okay, so first of all, there's a missing wire here and here, so I gotta figure out where those go. So maybe and there's screws are attached to the speaker. I guess they're the screws for maybe down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna have to figure out where these go, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure out where these two black wires go, and then I'm gonna have to take this off. I presume these are the screws for down here. I don't even think that's screw. There's a screw here. I don't even think it's in. So it looks like someone has been in here before. Maybe they were trying to fix the start button and they broke it. So yeah, that's what I do. I'll take this off. See if is that the start button? No, it's not even the start button. It's over here. So I'll take this off and we'll have a look at the start button first. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. I think it was just knocked out of place. Just gonna see if fixing that's kind of bent. Yeah, it looks like it was just bent. The button seems alright now. So put this back on. Yeah, that button seems fine now. Okay, so now I'll replace these screws and try and figure out where these black wires go and see if it'll turn on then. Okay, so them buttons are okay now, they're not sinking down into the board anymore, so that should be alright. So now I'm going to try and figure out where these black wires go and give it a test. Okay, so it looks like this wire goes here. I do get a display as well when I attach this wire, so that is a good sign that this is going to be fully fixed. And so now I just figure out where the other wire goes, resolder it, and give it a test then, and that should be it. Okay, so I think this wire goes here, so I'm going to solder it on there and see what happens. Okay, now I'm going to reassemble and test it. Okay, so everything seems to be working, so I'm going to end the video here. If you like this type of content and you enjoyed the video, please do hit the like and subscribe if you like this type of content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.